Welcome to Best Buying Report. The Best Blender Smoothies is probably one of the most essential kitchen appliances for anyone looking to embrace a healthier lifestyle. From protein-packed post-workout shakes to refreshing fruit smoothies, the right blender can transform simple ingredients into culinary masterpieces. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of blenders, exploring the features that matter most when crafting the perfect shake or smoothie. Number 5. NBR-0601WM Professional Blender. This powerful blender features an 1100-watt motor, allowing it to crush ice and blend tough ingredients effortlessly. It's perfect for creating smooth smoothies, frozen drinks, and more. With 3 manual speeds, pulse control, and a single-serve function, this blender offers personalized blending options. You can easily create the perfect blend every time with this machine. The large 72-ounce pitcher is ideal for blending big batches, perfect for parties or meal prepping. It allows you to make enough for the whole family with ease. This blender can also mince, chop, and grind ingredients for various recipes. It simplifies meal prep by handling multiple tasks, making cooking easier. Blend directly in the 16-ounce to-go cups, attach the spout lids, and take your drinks with you. It's designed for convenience, allowing you to enjoy your creations anywhere. All removable parts are BPA-free and dishwasher-safe, ensuring quick and easy cleanup. This makes it convenient to maintain after every use. Get inspired with the included 28-recipe guide for smoothies and more. It provides ideas for delicious and easy-to-make drinks and meals. What we like? This blender boasts a powerful 1100-watt motor, ensuring smooth blends every time. It also comes with an XL 72-ounce pitcher, perfect for family-sized batches. Plus, the included single-serve cups make it easy to take your creations on the go. If you're looking for a blender that can handle large quantities and offer on-the-go convenience, you should consider this one. What people say. The blender is easy to use. It blends frozen fruit and ice very well. It is easy to clean. Number 4. Hamilton Beach Power Elite Blender, 58148A. This blender packs a punch with 700 watts of peak blending power and stainless steel blades. It's perfect for making smoothies, protein shakes, and frozen drinks. You'll get the power you need. The patented wave action system ensures everything gets blended evenly. Ingredients are continuously pushed towards the blades. This system crushes even the toughest ingredients with ease. The spout on this blender makes pouring easy and mess-free. You can serve your creations without any spills or drips. It's designed for convenience. Cleaning up is a breeze with the dishwasher-safe glass jar, lid, and blades. The jar holds 40 ounces, perfect for making large batches. Simply disassemble and put the parts in the dishwasher. This multifunction blender offers 12 blending functions, controlled by 5 buttons. It can blend and crush ice, puree, dice, chop, and more. It's a versatile tool for any kitchen. What we like? This blender features a patented wave action system, ensuring ultra-smooth results by continuously circulating ingredients. With 12 blending functions, it offers versatility for various recipes. Moreover, it's dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. If you like a blender with versatile functions and easy cleanup, you should choose this one. What people say. It's powerful enough to crush ice and blend smoothies quickly, and the glass jar feels sturdy. I can throw all manner of frozen fruits into this blender and it doesn't struggle. The design is sleek, and the stainless steel finish looks modern and stylish in my kitchen. Number 3. NBR-0601WM Professional Blender. This blender boasts 1000 watts of professional power. It can easily crush ice and break down any tough ingredient. It's perfect for all your blending needs. The 72-ounce pitcher is perfect for making large batches. You can create frozen drinks and creamy smoothies for the whole family with it. It has a 64 ounces max liquid capacity. This technology delivers unbeatable power. The blades pulverize and crush through ice, fruits, and vegetables in seconds. It makes blending effortless. Blast ice into snow in seconds. You can blend your favorite ingredients into delicious, resort-style frozen drinks. It's the perfect way to cool down. A recipe guide is included to provide inspiration. You can find ideas for drinks and dishes. It helps you explore the full potential of this blender. The pitcher is BPA-free and dishwasher safe. Cleanup is as simple and easy as using the blender. It's designed for your convenience. You get a 1000-watt motor base and a 72-ounce total crushing pitcher with a lid. It has everything you need to get started. It's a complete blending solution. What we like. With 1000 watts of professional power, this blender crushes ice and tough ingredients effortlessly. The total crushing technology ensures smooth results every time. The XL 72-ounce pitcher is perfect for making frozen drinks and smoothies for the whole family. If you are looking for a blender with professional power and large capacity, you should choose this one. What people say. The 1000-watt motor is super powerful, and it crushes ice in seconds for perfect smoothies and frozen drinks. With 1000 watts and total crushing technology, it blends ice, frozen fruit, and smoothies to perfection in seconds. The large capacity pitcher is great for family use, and cleanup is surprisingly easy. Number 2. Ninja Fit Personal Blender QB3001SS. This personal blender has a 700-watt motor that powers through anything in the cup. It is perfect for smoothies, shakes, and more. It serves as a juicer, smoothie blender, and milkshake maker. Unlock hidden vitamins and nutrients from whole fruits and veggies. This portable blender extracts a nutritious drink, blending even the parts you usually discard. It's a great way to get your daily dose of goodness. Crush ice and pulverize frozen ingredients with ease. This mini blender is perfect for resort-like frozen drinks, smoothies, and shakes. It replaces the need for juicer machines and ice crushers. It's so compact that it fits on any countertop. With easy-to-use controls, it's the go-to personal blender. It is designed to fit your lifestyle and your kitchen. Blend directly in the 16 ounces single-serve cup. Attach the spout lid and enjoy your creations on the go. It's a convenient and portable way to enjoy your favorite drinks. All parts are BPA-free and dishwasher safe. This makes it easy to clean and maintain. It's designed for your convenience and peace of mind. Includes a 50-recipe inspiration guide to get you started. It provides easy-to-prepare ideas for smoothies, protein shakes, sauces, and frozen drinks. Get creative and enjoy. What we like. This compact blender features a 700-watt motor, perfect for personal use. It also offers nutrient extraction, unlocking hidden vitamins and nutrients. Plus, it provides on-the-go convenience with its single-serve cups. If you have a busy lifestyle and want to enjoy healthy smoothies on the move, you should consider this one. What people say. It blends great and is easy to clean. Great for 1 or 2 servings instead of a big one. Easy to store and doesn't take up much space. Doesn't leak. The blade is strong and easily pulverizes fruits and vegetables. It only takes seconds to blend to perfection. Comes with 2 glasses and covers, which is a definite plus. Easy to clean. Super powerful and easy to use. Honestly, it's a must-have in every kitchen no matter your age. Number 1. NUTRIBULLET NBR-0601WM Personal Blender. This is the original NUTRIBULLET, designed to help you embrace a healthier lifestyle. It's the perfect tool to kickstart your wellness journey. With this, you can easily create nutritious and delicious smoothies. Quickly blend fruits, vegetables, and liquids into nutritious smoothies. It delivers essential nutrients to your body in a simple and tasty way. It's a convenient way to boost your daily nutrition. The 600-watt motor effortlessly blends anything from strawberries to spinach. It transforms ingredients into smooth, drinkable nutrition. This blender makes it easy to enjoy a healthy treat. Its simple design makes it easy to use every day. Just push, twist, and blend. It's that easy to create your favorite drinks. This makes healthy living simple and accessible. Cleaning is a breeze. Just twist off the blades, rinse with soap and water, and put the cups in the dishwasher. It's health without the hassle. This design saves you time and effort. Included are a 600W motor base, extractor blade, 24-ounce cup, to-go lid, lip ring, and recipe book. It is built to North American and Canadian electrical standards. Remember to refer to the user manual before use. What we like. This personal blender offers 600 watts of power, effortlessly blending fruits and vegetables. It delivers nutrition in no time, making it perfect for quick and healthy smoothies. With its simple design, it's easy to use every day. If you like a simple and efficient blender for your daily nutrition needs, you should consider this one. What people say. It has a lot of strength. In less than 2 minutes it crops all the fruits. Easy to clean and use. Just twist it and it start running. It's small and fit anywhere. This blender is powerful and durable, and you can get replacement parts for it like gaskets and blades. It's so easy for morning smoothies, afternoon protein shakes and to blend soups and sauces. The best part is that after a quick rinse it can go straight into the top rack of the dishwasher. Super easy to clean. We use it multiple times a day. It has held up great. Great power and sharp blades. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.